Welcome my friends. Remember this hard drive, this SSD, external SSD that we did a little review on? Well, basically here on the website it says avoid the following when using this, okay? Swimming or showering with the external hard drive, using the external hard drive in a sauna or steam room, exposing the external hard drive to pressurized high velocity water, operating the hard drive outside the suggested temperature range, dropping the hard drive from too high or subjected to strong impacts, intentionally submerging the hard drive in water. I know it says we shouldn't do that, but what if we did? So basically it should be dust proof, waterproof, pressure proof, drop proof, everything proof, okay? It's Ip68 waterproof or Ip68 rated. First of all, let's see if the hard drive is working, okay? Write speed 837, read speed 915, write speed 885. Seems like it's working fine, okay? Oh, the floor looks a bit dusty, doesn't it? Why don't we hoover up and clean up a little bit? Oh, pants. See you later. That's enough, isn't it? The question is how we're gonna get it out. Okay, it's somewhere in there, okay? So I think we better go outside and empty it in the bin. Found it. That's pretty dirty. What do we do? Well, let's go wash it. So, right in there as well. Yeah, looks good. Also, it says like when trying to dry it up, don't heat it up. So what we're gonna do is heating it up. While we're waiting for it, they say you should leave it for about 5 hours when you accidentally drop it in the water. You know, as you're jet skiing or something. They said you shouldn't do that, okay? It says on the website, you know, you shouldn't do that. If there's actual liquid damage, you might actually void your warranty, so you shouldn't do that. But, you know, it's YouTube. That's why you're here. Oh, by the way, in a moment, we're gonna drive over it with a car, so stay tuned till the end of the video. But just, you know, drying it up a little bit because I don't want to ruin my MacBook by, you know, putting a wet connection into the hard drive. Comment below right now. Tell me if you think this is still gonna work or not. What do you think? Yeah. What if it doesn't work? I just plug it in and we're like, okay, that's the end of the video. It doesn't work. While we're waiting, do you like my MacBook charging station over here? Power brick comes there. Charging. Is that good? Look at that. It's charging. Charging pretty fast as well. When we started the video, it was 17%. It's 28 now. Why don't we try sucking the water out? So, put a new bag in. Sorry for the audio. To be honest, it still looks pretty good, even though I've like absolutely scuffed it between some metal things. It still looks pretty solid. So, the moment of truth. We've heated it up, we put it on the water, we've put it inside the hoover. Moment of truth. Okay guys, if the MacBook goes off now, then that is the most expensive video ever made on YouTube, okay? Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's there. Second try and it's there, okay? Let me open Finder to see if it's working. Okay, PD1000. We've got some files in there. Let's put some more in there, okay? Copying instantly. Okay, my friends? Let's... Oh, my word! If it actually works, this is unbelievable. Okay, let's do a test over there, okay? Speed tests, 873 right, 932. Ooh, the Hoover gave extra 10 megabytes. 889. See, it was good heating it up. It's a bit, you know, needs a bit warming up. Look at that, 886. 935. Eject. There's a few things left to do. Come follow me. Toyota Avensis, which is my car over here. It weighs 2.1 tons, okay? And that is cross vehicle weight, okay? If you obviously put like one wheel on it, it's probably not as much, but minimum curb weight is 1.48 tons, okay? What we're gonna do is our good SSD, right? I'm just gonna put this there because I don't want to drive on it and then the SSD go flying, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sandwich the SSD between here, okay? So let's do this. Okay, see that? SSD in between, something like that, okay? Moment of truth. How's that? Is it on it? A bit more. Okay. What I want to do is... This is ridiculous. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay. Oh, there we go. Went in all right. Oh my word. Select target drive. PD1000. There we go. Let's do a speed test. How are we operating under pressure? Literally. That was good. Still working. Oops. I should have ejected it before, but you know, we'll test that as well, I guess. Let's drive it back. I should have run over it completely. Did you get it? Wait, okay, I'll go back this way. There's like no damage at all. Let's try if it still works, okay? I'll plug it in. Disk not ejected properly. Well, I don't mind because it's still that one. 859, 917, 870. No problem. So basically what they do, I think, in the laboratory with this device is they basically like drop it, you know, like around this height. But what if... Oh, it took some damage. It took some damage. Come on, take closer ups now. Okay, as you can see, it's chipped in this corner. As you can see, I probably wouldn't do the water damage test now. Okay, it's a little bit chipped over here, in the back over here. So I think it's taken some damage, okay, now, but it might be just aesthetic. I guess let's try it out, okay? I think this is the biggest one. As you can see, it's bent this corner a little bit over here. It's like a little bit bent over here, but that's like a proper big chip over here. Ooh! Okay, well, let's see if it still works. Moment of truth. To be honest, if it didn't appear, it still did. Select target drive. Yes, PD1000. Start. 860. 914. Yes, replace. Instantly. Okay. Let's try this. Perfect. Works absolutely perfectly. Flawlessly. So my friends, what do I have to say? This SSD is absolutely ridiculous, okay? I thought that after the first Hoover test and water test, I thought, what if it doesn't work and then we have to stop the video over there? Do I still publish it? Well, I am so glad it worked. And from the bottom of my heart, even though we cut the camera halfway when it was still heating up on the radiator, we didn't change the hard drive, did we? No, we didn't. He shook his head. It didn't. Yeah, we didn't change the SSD. It's still the same hard drive. Went through a Hoover, went through the tap under the car, got chucked, and it's as live as ever. Drops the cable. I'm not sure your Samsung drive can do that. Can it? So if you want to check this drive out, the link for this is in the description below. Go check it out. Thanks guys for watching. As always, like the video if you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you thought this is gonna handle this or not. And, you know, subscribe if you haven't already. You know the drill. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.